Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Let's take a look at how easy it is to actually tunnel a sidewalk. So to tunnel any sidewalk, you just need a couple of tools. You need a regular, spade shovel. This is an 8-inch wide shovel, and then what we call a sharpshooter shovel. It's 16 inches long, maybe 14 inches long, and 6 inches wide. What we do is we start a trench that's long enough that we're able to put this shovel in the trench. Next, we're going to use our big shovel and dig as far as we can with the big shovel. And the way we do that is you take something off the bottom, you pull that out, and then you scrape the top right there at the top and just pry it loose, and you'll go right through this. Let me set the camera up and you can take a look. Okay, so what I do is I take the shovel and I scrape right at the top. This is with the large shovel. Come back up under, pry it up, set it out. And we'll get through here in just a matter of minutes because this has got a nice sand base. It's really easy. Something you guys can do yourselves. Again, if you just want to do a piece of your job, save some money. I'm hoping you can see all this. If you remember, on the other side, there was actually a sprinkler. So I'm just coming on this side real quick, and you can see how much I get out. Just a little at a time, that's fine. I know I'm getting right through there. I'm almost halfway through, maybe a little bit more. I'm running out of room with the shovel because it's hitting right up on the top of that. So now we're going to switch over to what we call the sharpshooter. And this one goes even faster. We just hit the top, and then we come back. Oops, I'm sitting on a rock. And we pull it out. It's quick. I'm almost through. So again, really good projects for the do-it-yourselfer, and a lot of satisfaction when you complete one of these tasks, because it really is not that hard to do. It's a lot of labor. I'm going right through already. It's a lot of labor, but labor's not cheap anymore, especially when you have a specialist that's coming out to do your work. So by doing this job yourself, this is just one piece of the total install. You can definitely save some money. If you were to do a small section, tunnel a sidewalk, trench out to the sidewalk, trench out to the street, you'll save a great deal of money by doing it yourself. What I'm doing right now is just trying to make it flat. We don't want to have a belly underneath of there, so I'm basically just going through, twisting the shovel, and that makes a nice perfect hole. Okay, so I'm clear through. Let's take a look. Let's take a look with the camera, and you can see we've got a nice hole that goes all the way through. I hope you can see that. I'm using this phone instead of my GoPro, so a little different. But here's the other side. Remember, we had an irrigation line right here, but you can see the hole comes all the way through. Perfect hole. That's 5-inch wide hole, maybe 6. Our pipe will slide right through there. Total time since I started the camera, 3 minutes. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.